Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Today in math we're going to start talking about addition, and we have been talking about that with our balances, and we've been looking at two parts that balance a number. For instance, 3 add 4 balances 7, and today we're going to keep going and get a little bit more into addition, and we're going to read this really fun book called Mice Everywhere, and on the second video we're going to do some activities with the book for addition. So let's go ahead and read. Mice everywhere. Mice everywhere. 4 on a chair. See the 4 mice there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 in the air. 1, 2. Mice everywhere. 5 in a band. Let's see the 5 in a band. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3 in the sand. Let's see where they're at. There they are. 1, 2, 3. Mice everywhere. 2 in the cheese. 1, 2. 6 in the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Mice everywhere. 3 in a box. 1, 2, 3. 4 wearing socks. Can you supersize them? 4. There's 4. Or 1, 2, 3, and 4. Mice everywhere. 8 under the floor. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 behind the door. Supersize those 2. There they are. 2. Mice everywhere. 4 on a bike. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 on a trike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A trike. A tricycle is called a trike. Mice everywhere. 9 on a rocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1 in a pocket. 1. All right, boys and girls. Thank you for reading this book with me. Now, on the video below this one, go ahead and click on that. We're going to do some activities with this book.